Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to discussing with you introduction of joins. This session is specially designed for what are the joins, how many types of joins are available in this joins concept, and one by one what you are going to knowing about joins for our upcoming sessions. We will cover all these sessions. Don't skip this lecture to understanding about joins. Let's begin to start the session. Let's see here. The SQL joins initially very popular and most popularly will use for it's a here you see the center point it is there. It is an inner join. Very simple. These are the Venn diagrams what you have seen in your mathematics book. The max how it is going to be applying for like a union operations, a union b, a intersection b, a minus b, a plus b, likewise a union b. Such all the operations will apply only in join statements. None of the things are more. Okay, there is a no other words to over going about what I can simply say that it is an unions. Okay, when you clearly understand about your max of these Venn diagrams, then almost 70 to 80% of subject of SQL joins is over. Yes, if you are not come with the background of mathematics and you don't know about the max, whereas I'll give you a simple tips. What are the joins, how it's going to be making, and how it is going to be using and utilizing applying of Venn diagram operations over here. I'll discuss with you from scratch. See here, the inner join, the diagram will represent you. Simple. A box is called one table and B box is called the circle. It is in a second table. The tables, if we joined both from left table to right table, the understanding of both match case and match records only will get as an output. Very simple. That's it. It will tells you that inner join. Most probably using this inner join for the purpose of to avoiding the duplicate data and the accurate data that like a transaction of the payments will see for use for inner join only. It will give you more accurately which is the data is reading from one where like a registration number and all such way data, and the record is going to be inserting the transaction record, maybe go to insert on the transaction table, and similarly it may go to the bank transaction amounts table. These three tables we are making an inner join. If the record is the transaction number along with the registration ID is matching the record, the simple, the accurate record only it will you will get as an output. That is the purpose we will make it as a joins more popularly. In the way, we'll use inner join to avoid the duplicates and the accurate data will get it. And such a way, see here in the right side, here a right join means the left table, what the having of the right, two tables are joining here in the right join also. Whereas the right join is complete the data, whole data from the table of right table and which are the match case data rows from the table A. That is the way we'll get the result set. In such way, you see in the left part of the table here, in the left side, like you see here this table, the left join will tells that whole data from the left table and which are the matching case rows from the left table to right table, which will be given as an output at the left table result set. It is the called, we can call it as left join. In similar way, you see here left join how it is we can put it as an is not null if we applied, which are not available in B, only the records of applicable in the A only it will be written. Similarly, if we apply the not null like a is null, it is says that see, the B part only you will get as a right table. By understanding of the table like a Venn diagram, you will have a good analytical idea. Yes, which part of data I am able to getting is in a result set. That's it. I want to be conclude you with the answer. In a such way, like a full outer join or full out join, like a full join is similar to full outer join. You'll see complete the data which we are going to be adding from A table and B table. All the data, there is a no matter at all, which the row is matching or not, which is the row is null or not. Complete data you will get as an output. Yes, such as sometime it is also it required to get full data from the different tables. And if you applied like a is null, which are with the matching, it will be denied. And the rest of the thing, all the data from the table A and the table B will give you as an output is where you are applying in a full outer join with is null. This is the complete accurate functionality in SQL joins. If you learn these simple techniques of how to use joins and how to write the join statements, you will be having a good understanding as well as more command on SQL statements. And you will be simply crack with the complex queries, even like applying of the multiple tables also. We'll have in a sessions one by one begins with the inner join, how it's going to be in a real-time functionality of how we are going to preparing like a select query statement along with inner join statement, how it will be. A very simple techniques I'll show you with the basic examples. We'll see one by one. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.